This topic is talking about least common multiple and also the highest common factor, LCM and HCF. We learned about this in primary school, for example, like 6 and 9. If we want to get the LCM, maybe we can express 6 is equal to 2 times 3. 9 is equal to 3 times 3, that means 3 squared. To get the highest common factor, we find that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 3 and 3 are factors of 9. Common, that means appear in both cases, is 3, power of 1. So we can say that HCF is equal to 3. And if we want to get the least multiple, in primary school our method is to list out the multiple of 6. 6 times 1 equal to 6. 6 times 2 equal to 12. 18, 24, 30, like this. And then 9. Multiple, 9 times 1 equal to 9, 9 times 2 equal to 18. And then we have 27 times 4, 36, 45. These are all multiple of 9. These are all multiple of 6. We are asking for the common multiple. So you find that the first common multiple is 18. In fact, there are more common multiple. For example, 36 is also common. But we are talking about the smallest one, the smallest multiple, then it is 18. Or in senior form, we can say that the least common multiple include all the factors so that it can be divided by 6 or 9. Therefore, we can write down LCM is equal to, we need to have 2, we need to have 3 power of 2. So it's give 18. Which is the same as when we use the primary school method to find out the least common multiple. So the highest common factor is among each factor we choose the lower power because the common factor can't exist the original number. And LCM we are choosing for the highest power of each factor to ensure that the LCM is big enough to divide by both numbers. We apply the same logic in polynomial or some algebraic expression. For example, 2abc power of 2 and also 3a power of 3b. If there are two expressions and we want to find out the LCM and HCF of these two expressions, then we should write them in a standard format, which is vertically. So every similar things factor we write in the same column, and then we are going to find the LCM. LCM, that means the highest power of each factor. And in contrast, HCF is the lowest power of each factor. Therefore, in this case, the LCM 2 and 3 LCM is 6. And then among the two index, a power of 1 and a power of 3, LCM we choose the highest power. So among 1 and 3, I will choose a power of 3. So that a power of 3 can divide by a power of 3 here. And then b power of 1, b power of 1, so we choose b power of 1. And c power of 2, if we really need to write nothing here, that means c power of 0, because c power of 0 representing 1. Among c power of 2 and c power of 0, I need to choose the higher power, that means c power of 2. That's how you get the LCM. HCF, we use the same logic. Among 2 and 3, there is no common factor, so just 1. The HCF, the number part is 1. A power of 1, a power of 3, we choose the lower power, a power of 1. B power of 1, b power of 1, so we choose b power of 1 also. Finally, among c power of 2 and c power of 0, we choose the lower power for HCF. That's why we choose c power of 0. Or you just simply don't write that because it's just simply one time. Therefore, HCF is AB alone.